Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is called MEMS based home appliance control. So here I am using an Arduino Uno R3 and one power supply section, 16 cross 2 LCD display and one relay coil and one bulb, one driver IC, one DC fan. So here I am using an ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer sensor. So this is entire block diagram section. Let us coming into the circuit diagram. So here I am using an Arduino Uno R3 5 volts power supply section, ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer sensor, ADC of 0 x ADC of 1, it is connected to the Y. So relay, second pin, bulb, third pin driver IC and one DC fan, 16 cross 2 LCD display, RS enable D4 D5 D6 D7. So this is a circuit diagram. So let us coming into the hardware. So here I'm using an 230 input MEMS based home appliances control. 230 input is an adapter. So here I'm using an adapter power source, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So here I'm using an Arduino Uno R3 board. So ADC of 0 and 1, it is connected to the MEMS accelerometer sensor. So 16 cross 2 LCD display, it is connected to the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD, X coordinate value and Y coordinate value. So here the relay bulb and one driver IC and one DC fan. So let us see the output. So if you tilt front, fan on, fan off, light on and light off. Okay, so now I'm wearing the glove. Fan on, fan off, bulb on, 200, bulb off, light on, fan on. Say MEMS based home appliances control using Arduino Uno R3 board. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.